Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check if your RAM is working properly. Windows 11, 10. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click Restart Now and check for problems. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.